Now I want to point out what I'm typing over here. This is runtime objects. So that's very important to realize that this is all during runtime, this is during compile time. So all of these things are objects, including this inventory object right here. This inventory object is a list of type item. The AR-15 and AK-47 are guns. The computer chair is a chair. And the health potion is a potion. So these are how the types break apart. We have an inventory, which is a list of item. Inside of the inventory, we can have a gun, a chair, and a potion. The reason we can have this is because gun, chair, and potion all inherit from the item base type.